Right, we are finally off after some loading trouble. To make so you don't catch your feet on the floor. We are off on a front row ride on Kumali. I'm just going to protect the camera for a second and we'll see you at the top of the lift hill. It's very rainy today. Gonna need a good sponge down at the end of today. We have to say thank you as usual to the channel Dirty Secrets of Scotland. Go and watch their videos digging up bottles. They gave us this camera that's going to let us do this front row POV on Kumali at Flamingo Land. Oh, it's a great view. It does sting the face. Bit of rain, but we had a lot of fun on Kumali.